Are you somebody that's job hopping more than you'd like? Maybe you don't have a retirement account and it's kind of wearing on you. You don't like that. Maybe you don't enjoy the emotions of finding new employment or going through the training process or getting ramped up. Maybe you don't like not having long-term work relationships. Whatever it is, if you're somebody that wants to find long-term employment, here's 4 points that you're going to want to look for in your next interview before you say yes. The first is, what is the work culture? Right? The people around you that you're working with on a day-to-day have a huge influence on you. Do you mesh and fit in with those individuals? The second is, what is the management style? Ultimately, you want to have a good relationship with your boss, and you want to make sure that you're excelling at the work that you're being asked to do. And so, do they come from a place of abundance? Do they empower their employees? What is their management style? Third, that you're going to want to look at is, what is the mission of the organization? Is it something that you can get behind? And then most importantly, I would say is there a path for growth? We all want to grow. We all want new opportunities. Does this employer offer you a way to be able to continuously improve, continuously increase your compensation, and continuously be able to add value to the organization? That's 1 Minute Money Mindset Training. If what I'm saying makes sense to you, hit the little subscribe button and the bell next to it. We're constantly uploading new videos that'll keep you on track with your wealth and your wellness. I'm Wealth Coach Amir, and I'm here to help you get wealthy.